Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to week 7 of your computer class. And this week, we're going to take a break from keyboarding and we're going to be talking a little bit about computer programming and coding. So, in your Google Classroom stream, you will see an assignment titled Computer Programming. When you see that, you're going to click it. And when you open it, there are some instructions. It says to complete this assignment after watching this BrainPop video. We've used BrainPop before. When you see this link in Google Classroom this week, you're going to click and open it. You will be required to log in. I have given out the username and password before, but I'm going to go over that again now. When you go to log in, you're going to go to this top right corner of your screen and find this login button. The username, my computer has it saved already, but so I can show you, I'm going to erase it. Your username is HWES and the number 1. And the password is just BrainPop, all one word, no capitals, no spaces. So I'm just going to type in BrainPop, BRAINPOP, and you're going to hit log in. And now you'll be logged in. Let me go back and re-click that link. Here we go. And when you click that link and you go to press play, if you're not logged in already, it will prompt you to log in. And again, the username is HWES1. And the password is just BrainPop in all lowercase letters. So when you get to BrainPop, and I'll be showing this video during our live Google Meet. This video is for anyone who wants to get ahead on that assignment, or for anyone who misses our live Google Meet. When we meet, we will watch this BrainPop video together. To watch the video, you press play here at the play button. If you want it to take up your whole screen of your Chromebook, you can put it in full screen mode. You just click play. And you will have to watch that whole video, and it talks all about computer programming. Computer programming and coding are a big part of our world today. Computer programming goes into everything from iPhones to computers to tablets, any video games you play. There is someone whose job is to code and program all of those games you love. And all of these pieces of technology that we all use and love and enjoy, like our computers, our iPhones, our tablets, anything that has a computer inside of it requires a little bit of computer programming or computer coding, and you're going to hear that in this week's BrainPop. When you're finished watching the BrainPop, you are then going to do an activity. You're not going to do an easy quiz. You're not going to do a hard quiz. You're going to click on the wordplay activity. When you click on wordplay, it says play with words. Choose a word to explore. Draw, write, or create a skit about it. So pick one of your words. They will all be more familiar to you after our Google Meet and after you watch this video. You can pick from the word loop, debug, command, coding, or computer programming. I'm going to show you an example with the word command. I want to do the activity with command. You only have to pick one word and do one word play activity. So the one I'm picking is command. You can pick whatever one you want. When you click it, you'll see that you have an option to draw.
Explore this word with a drawing.
Okay, explore this word with a drawing. You can draw a picture that has to do with the word command. Maybe you'll want to draw Moby doing a command like jumping over a puddle, or Moby doing jumping jacks. They're all commands. When you tell a computer to make something, do something, that's a command. You could write about it or act it out. And it tells us here what a command is.
An instruction for the computer to do one thing.
Okay. Again, you'll notice mine is kind of all talking at once. How BrainPop works is if you put your mouse over top of a word, it will read it for you.
An instruction for the computer to do one thing.
So that's the definition of command. It's an instruction for the computer to do one thing. You can only give one command at a time. You can't tell Moby to run, jump, and turn. You would have to give it in each step in something called a sequence. So you would have to do 1, run to the right, 2, jump up. Okay, you would have to give something in each step. That's how a computer command works. That's go step by step by step in a word called a sequence. And that's also a word you should have heard in this video. I'm going to pick the right.
Right.
Use this word in a piece of writing. If I click the screen, I'm going to write a command is an instruction for a computer to do one thing. I would command Moby to, and I can maybe write a list of commands for Moby. Maybe 1, jump 1 time up and down. Command 2, take 1 step to the right. Command 3, take 1 step to the left. And I'm just making up anything that I might tell Moby to do. Again, you can do anything of your choice. This activity is just something for fun. I'm not going to see it. You're not going to turn it into me. It's just something for you to do after you watch the video. Again, you could write, you could draw. You could draw a picture of Moby.
Explore this word with a drawing.
Or you can act.
Create a skit using this word.
And you would just
act it out.
You would make the different people. So you would make different characters here say different things. So did you know? Did you know that a command tells a computer to do one thing? And you would have to fill in those boxes there. Again, only picking one word and only doing one of these activities. You could draw, you could write, or you could do the act it out. I think the act it out's a little bit of a challenge, but if you're up for the challenge, you're more than welcome to do it. So it's brain pop, word play, and then an exit ticket. And that's everything for this week's lesson. So you'll see when you're in this assignment that there is a computer programming exit ticket. You're going to open it, and it's just 3 questions. The link to that video is also here, so you should have no problems getting the brain pop. Again, that username is HWES1, and your password is just brain pop. It's 3 questions. Question 1 is the sequence of steps helps a person finish a task. What is a sequence? So is a sequence someone who writes code, the last step of directions, or is it the order that things happen? Click your answer to that. The second question asks, what does not need a computer to work? So what does not need a computer for it to be able to function? An iPhone, a teddy bear, like a stuffed animal, or a Chromebook? And last but not least, your last question on today's exit ticket, or this lesson's exit ticket, is what command would get Moby to move over the cone? Here's Moby. Moby's running toward the cone. What would Moby have to do next to get over that cone? Would Moby have to jump up and down? Would Moby have to move to the right? Or would Moby have to move to the left? How would he get over that cone? So pick the best answer. When you have all of your answers picked for this exit ticket, you can hit the purple submit button to me. And submitting this exit ticket will give you credit for this computer programming lesson for week 7 of technology. So that sums up this computer class lesson. I will see you all soon live on our next Google Meet. I hope you enjoy this assignment.